Right now, deep inside your cells, your biological power plants are shutting down one by one. After age 40, the mitochondria, the literal engines that burn fuel and create energy, begin to decay at an accelerated rate. As stated by researchers at the Mayo Clinic, this decline in mitochondrial efficiency is a primary driver of the metabolic slowdown that makes weight gain feel inevitable and fatigue a constant companion. It's not in your head, it's a cellular crisis that has already begun. While your cells lose power, a thief is actively stealing the very tissue that keeps your metabolism burning hot, your muscle. This process, known as sarcopenia, is the age-related loss of muscle mass, and it's the silent killer of a high metabolic rate. Each pound of muscle on your frame is metabolically active, burning calories even while you rest. But starting in your late 30s, you can lose up to 8% of your muscle mass per decade. This lost muscle is often replaced by metabolically dormant fat, fundamentally altering your body's architecture and turning your once efficient engine into a low-power, high-storage machine. Your metabolism is commanded by a complex network of hormones, and after 40, that command structure begins to crumble. Key anabolic hormones, particularly testosterone, begin a steady decline. This doesn't just impact libido or mood. Lower testosterone directly signals your body to store more fat, especially visceral fat around your organs, and makes building or even maintaining muscle significantly harder. Your liver, the master metabolic organ, becomes less efficient at processing nutrients, and your thyroid can become sluggish. It's a cascade failure where the signals to burn are replaced by signals to store. The food you eat is meant to be fuel, but a sinister process called insulin resistance turns it into a poison that slows your engine to a crawl. After years of exposure to certain foods, your cells become numb to the hormone insulin. Imagine insulin as a key that unlocks your cells to let glucose in for energy. Now imagine the locks are rusted shut. The glucose is locked out of the cells, causing blood sugar to rise. Your pancreas panics, pumping out even more insulin, a hormone that is also a powerful fat storage signal. This vicious cycle ensures that the energy you consume is stored as fat rather than burned, leaving you tired, hungry, and metabolically broken. The assault on your metabolism is relentless, but it is not irreversible. You can fight back with a precise scientific protocol. This is not about generic diet and exercise. It's about targeted biological warfare. Your first order of action is metabolic resistance training. Forget long, slow cardio. 3 times per week, you must engage in heavy, compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and overhead presses. Why? Because this type of training creates the largest metabolic disturbance, forcing your body into a state of afterburn, or epox, where you continue to burn calories for up to 36 hours post-workout. This is how you turn your body into a 24/7 furnace. Second, you will implement a protein pacing protocol. Your goal is 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of your ideal body weight, divided into 4 daily meals of 30 to 40 grams each. This steady supply of amino acids prevents muscle breakdown and has a high thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns more calories just digesting it. A 200-pound man would aim for 4 meals with 36 grams of protein each. Think a large chicken breast or a scoop and a half of whey protein. Finally, you will execute a strategic nutrient intervention. Immediately eliminate all beverages containing high fructose corn syrup, which directly overloads the liver and promotes insulin resistance. Simultaneously, introduce 2 to 3 cups of brewed green tea daily. The catechins, specifically EGCCG, are scientifically shown to inhibit an enzyme that degrades norepinephrine, a key fat-burning hormone, keeping it active in your system for longer. These are not suggestions. They are strategic commands to force your metabolism back online.